is NGO engineer. Okay, so we are going to continue our lesson. Last time we stopped, we ended at the level of orientation for our column. So I completed the orientation, as you can see. If you try it home, then you will notice that if you actually respect all what I've given so far, you will notice that we have the same orientation for this example. Okay, so now we can decide to select this dimension line. Okay, because they are no use, we click on delete on the keyboard. Just click on delete, or you can right click and click on delete. Now let's go back on view. We'll continue with the modeling. Okay, so we are going to learn something, the tool copy. Okay, so before start, you will start. As I said, I even forgot, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Okay, subscribe to the channel if it's your first time here to watch our video, also to give us strength to continue. And at the end of the video, don't forget to leave a comment and also a like if you appreciate. Okay, we will be grateful. It's a form of giving us more energy, and we have many social platforms, so just make sure you subscribe from where you are watching, and more to our YouTube channel. Thank you. So we will select first of all the dwarf pillar. As you can see on the object inspector, all of them have been selected. And always select from the right to the left. Okay, because if you take it from the left now to the right, you will realize that you will not select the column. Okay, so from the right to the left, you select your column. From the left to the right is for selecting is to select your beams. Okay, okay, so we have select our column. Now we'll click on edit up here. We'll choose copy. Then copy is activated. Now we'll enter the coordinate 0,0,1.5. Okay, which is the height, the depth of our dwarf pillar, or the depth of our foundation. Then we'll press enter on the keyboard. It will copy it to that height of 1.5. Okay, positive height 0.5. Then we'll have to close now the option copy, unselect the column. Now copy it from the left to the right, because what we are trying to select now is the node. Okay, you will notice that our node is highlighted here in bold on the object inspector. Okay, so the node are being selected. You click again on copy to ensure that now we are using the move. Okay, it's in blue here. You activate drag option. Okay, then you enter again the coordinate. Okay, 0,0. Okay, comma. Okay, no, before, leave me show you something at the level of copy. Let's press Ctrl Z. Instead of entering the coordinate after selecting your dwarf pillars here, you can also just click on copy here. When the copy option is highlighted here, you just come here, you just stand at this point. Okay, down here, you click on it and you drag it up. Okay, you will notice that this your note are being shown here, which is not what we are expecting in this scenario. So it's better to use the other option for this when you are at the level of the foundation like this. For the other option, you when you will be up or somewhere else, you can use that form of copy. Okay, so let's press Ctrl Z. Okay, then use the first way of copying. So we just enter let's make sure that first of all we are on the right view. Okay, then we select all our column, we press copy. Now click on copy. It should be empty like this. If it's not empty, it means you have selected something or something is shaking. Okay, then 0, then you enter the 1.5 quickly, then that's it. Now you unselect. From the left, now you select all the nodes as I did. You have 25 nodes. Then you go back on copy. Then you activate the option move. As I said, you make sure you click on drag. Okay, drag is activated. Now you will just enter the coordinate 0,0,1.7. Why 1.7? Because the height of the ground floor to the story one, or to the slab of the is 3 meter 20, and since we entered already 1 meter 50 from the height of the dwarf column, now you remember 1.7, that's 170. okay, 170 centimeters. So you press on execute, then that's it. Yeah, your dwarf column has been edited such a way that they have the same height of as your the from the ground floor to the story level number one. Okay, that's it. So you can close now, you escape. You can press here, for example, to see this color per floor. As you can see, that's when we're defining the very story level. Okay, but you see it better at the end. Okay, so let's use the same copy now from the left to the right. We copy all our beams here. Okay, then we'll just paste them to the next level, that's story level one. Okay, this in the sense that we have all. Let's just come and click here and click over here as I show you. So we do that for all the floor. We have a G+4, so we have to copy it again one time from here to here. Okay, and then this is the chaining. That's it. Then you can close. And I feel like it has shifted a bit, so let's check. Oh, it has shifted. It has been shifting, so let's go back, undo. Let's go back on the face. That's why I tell you that you make sure that you are on a face. Okay, so is it. Make sure that you are right on the face. Then you escape. You select now the beams. Okay, you click on copy. Make sure that this box is empty. If not, you will have that kind of error. Okay, so time the machine is somehow working a lot, so it's normal that it should be see it's normal as zero. That's why our building will be shifting. So make sure you reduce this window. You first of all click on face here to ensure that you are on the right face. Okay, then you increase the window back. Okay, it should be zero here. If it's not zero, then don't do it. Okay, or we can even check this one again. It's okay, right? So let's go back. Then let's go back. Then we press escape to unactivate the rotation cube. Okay, then we copy again to the next level. So we just click from here to here. Okay, that's zero. That's 3 meter 20. Okay, so we can leave the 3 meter 20 self and continue. Okay, now when we shift it here, you realize that it might not be accurate. Okay, so let's close first of all. Make sure that you are still on the right pattern. Okay, yeah, you are still there. So let's go down. Ensure that you are well aligned on that face. We continue with the option copy. Okay, that's it. You can close now. Okay, let's check it the last time. Always make sure it's the modeling face. And now you can come back here, escape the rotation. Then we'll copy the column to all the floor, same as we did with this. Okay, so we'll press enter. Then we'll press 0,03.2, which is the height of our building, height per floor. Okay, then we'll press enter again. Since the 3.2 is still activated, press enter. Just keep on pressing enter. Okay, that's it. So here you can click here now to appreciate the color. Okay, as you can see here, let's reduce this window. That's it. We are finished with the modeling of our columns beam. And on the next video, we will start with the modeling of the slab and the staircase also, as we are following. After that, we will go on verification. So this is what you learn during this modeling. On the next video, we will also ensure that this beam, the chaining beam, the cross section will be changed. Okay, so thank you for watching this lesson. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also to leave a like. Okay, thank you so much. It was Andrew Engineer.